Ang daming chocolate. Peanut butter. Orange. Ayan o. Ha? Uy, naku. Ang sarap nito. Twinkies. Hello, Mr. Bean. Uy, hala, ano kaya itong mga ay. Ay, saan natin? Hello, ano to? Oh my God. Meltable peanut butter. Oh, wow, it's soft.
That's soft.
Huh?
It's like for
It's chocolate.
decorating or
No, it's chocolate. Mahal, it's food.
Yeah, or they will melt it. It's like melting.
Mm. Hello. Oh, I'll get some of this. I'm not gonna get it all, but I'll get some. There's a lot in here. Ano to? Orange. I'll get the one that I'm not. Dami nito, uy. Dami, oh. They start melting. Black. Ano naman to? Smooth better. Black artificial vanilla flavor. Tunaw naman. Chocolate. Yan o, kahon o. Mal, it's melted. But, if you put that in a cool area, it will still be good. Ang dami, uy. Ang daming chocolate. Peanut butter. Pumpkin spice. Uy, pumpkin spice, oh. Wow! Ang dami! Naglusaw na yung ano, oh, nag-start na siyang malusaw. Pero pag nilagay mo yan sa rep, ano yan siya, mabuo yan siya. Oh, sakto mag-winter na. Uy, grabe ko dami talaga ito, oh. Ano naman to? Pumpkin spice pa rin. Hindi naman masyadong masarap ang pumpkin spice. Kunin natin yung orange. Orange. Ayan, oh. Huh? Oh, what you got? Wait, oh, you got dog food? Purina. Oh, nice! Ano to? Magas ng peanut butter eh. Pumpkin spice pa rin. Maghanap tayo ng tama na siguro yan. Iwan natin yung iba sa ibang dumpster diver. Maghanap tayo ng peanut butter. Kasi masarap yung peanut butter. Ano itong kulay blue na ito? Ay, pumpkin spice. Pumpkin spice. Peanut butter. Hanapin natin. Black vanilla. Orange. Pumpkin spice. Okay. Ayan. Ang dami na. Iwan natin yung iba. Pumpkin spice. Grabe. Ay, dami nilang sinayang. Sayang. What's up, Miss? Uy, daming ni Mr. Bean, ah. Ano yun? May beer doon, oh. Ano to? Halaman ba yun? Oh, yung tapo ng Mr. Bean ngayon, ha? Ano kaya ang tapo na? Uy, ano yan? Parang... Uy, may itlog, oh. Kunin natin itlog. Ano kaya ito? Parang may kumuha na. Parang may syrup na natapon. Pasteurized egg. Itlog tayo. Ano pa? Ano po? Ano itong nasa box na to? Box lang yata to. Glass floss. Filter. Filter, oh. Bagong bago, oh. Ay, bago daw. Luma pala. Gamit na mga filter. Uy, hala, Twinkies. Oh, ang dami. Uy, ang sarap yan yun. Ano to? Special. Ay, ano siya? Lemon jello cheesecake. Ay, hindi na pwede. Nalusaw na, sayang. Pero, isang karton na Twinkies. Uy, hindi ko abot to. Tingnan natin. Abot na. Ay, ito. Ay, ito. Ay, ito. Kailangan ng stick na malaki. Yung stick na ano. Kunin natin yung stick na malaki. Uy, halaman na. Ito. May halaman. Kunin natin yan. Ang halaman po. Totoo kayang halaman to? Hala. Paano nga natin ang stick na malaki? Yan lang. Oh, may chinilas pa dun. Oh. Hala. Oh. Chinilas pang bata. Oh. Hala. Ang cute, oh. Okay. Ayan na. Ayan na ang ating box. Box to. Uy, sana hindi siya madumihan. Wala, isang piece na, oh. Hala. Uy, naku. Ang sarap nito. Twinkies. Isang buong karton. Tinapon nila. Whole case. Kunin natin tong orange din. Orange, oh. Orange. Ay, ganda, oh. May mga sauce doon, oh. Uy, may container doon. Ay, ayos mo. Iniwan ko pa yung ano ko. Ay, madumi, oh. Ang ano na siya. Parang nadumihan sila. Oh, ay, basag. Ay, sayang. Basag siya. Pero, ano kito mo naman. Alam mo, ripog ka na, be. Uy. Alo. Nasira ko na siya. Ay. Mahal. Oh, this is beautiful plant. Look. It looks like monstera. Variegated or something. Oh, I'll take this. This is beautiful. It's good inside. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. The pot is broken. That's why they throw it. Okay.
Where's your grabber?
You
already took it back?
Yeah, I took it back.
Okay. I'll just make sure we get it.
I took it back there. Let me see if there's eggs that we can... Ooh! Just one. I'm gonna take it and give it to the dog. Pasture raised egg. Oh wow. Okay. Nice. Huh? I don't need the egg carton. Put that egg carton in here. How about that? Tara. What's up, Mr. Bean? Uy, dami ng tapon, oh. Ay, sana malamig pa. Ano to? Just for dog food. Uy, malamig pa nga, oh. Ay, parang bagong tapon. Ito naman, para sa pusa. Mga wet food ng ating alaga. Hala, bagong tapon niya. Ay, sayang. Ay, magkain ng ating aso nito. Ay, magkain lambag. Lagi ka nalang ulan, lambag, mana. Ay, ano din, oh. Yeah. Before we get that insulated bag lab. Opo. Oops. Buti na lang malamig pa. Oh. Tuwa ang aking doggy. Nice. Yeah. Oh, pati yung aking pusa. Hindi ko naabot yung iba. Ay, wet din pala ito. Uy, wet eh. Ang lamig. I can't reach the rest. I need a grabber. What do you think? Ito na lang, may nala tayong ganito. Keep it cool. Kasya kaya lahat. I hope it holds it. Hindi na ma-hold. Oh, there's some eggs. Fresh Pet Home Style Creation. Vital. I'm glad we have a grabber.
Yeah.
Still cold.
Good find, huh?
Oh, nag-pop. I think one of them pop. Nag-pop siguro. No. Maybe just the bag. Ano to? This is for dog. Mostly for dog. Our dog will gonna be hyper again. They'll be happy. They love this food. We'll put the rest into the wee bag.
I think that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
There's one way over.
No, don't mess with that.
I can probably get it from the other door.
Okay, if you want to.
Try.
It's too far. There's one. Still. Oh, it's warm, mahal.
Oh,
Yeah, this is no good na. Yep, it's warm.
they were in the sun.
Yeah. This one, it has roof, so that's why it's still cold. We need to put the rest of this in wee bag because this will give up. Susuko itong ano, itong bag na to ma-rip, mapunit ba? Kaya ilagay natin yung iba sa wee bag. Ayan ito.
Just put it in here.
Yeah, don't worry.
Save it in the bag.
When you carry this.
Yeah, I'll carry it from the bottom.
Okay, thank you. Mag-enjoy ang mga alaga ko. Tara na. Hey, what's up? Ano yan? Makuha tayo dito. Ano tayo? May electric pan. Baka may tinabunan sila dito. Oh, may electric pan. Okay. Ayan na, oh. Ayan ito. Wholehearted. Parang greenish ba? Ano to? Landlord stuff. Oh, may pa landlord stuff na naman si Mr. Bean, oh. Ayan naman si Mr. Bean, landlord stuff. Ano? Uy, ganda, oh. Pambata. Uy, natunog. Ah, okay. Pambata, ang cute. Ano pa na dito? Ano to? Taboo, unspeakable fun. Huh? Ito ano? 600 guest words. Tabunan ng ano? Ng beddings. Langkit naman yan. Hindi ako na maabot yung iba. Laman. Pero kunin natin yung toy. Ha? May Nike, oh. Ano yung Nike na yan? Palawit lang. Kunin natin yung toy. Electric pan. You want a fan? Arctic Air. Maganda siguro to. Ay, lalagyan mo ng tubig. May tubig. Nice lang. Pang scoop ng cat. Ano to? Malo? Huh? No, it's a fan. Arctic fan. You put water and there's a pump, so we'll give a cool air.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah.
You wanna take it?
There's no cord in there?
No, but we can get cord.
Yeah.
I think that was the cord I saw. Let's see. Parang may cord akong nakita dito. Baka, ay, sintas pala yung nakita ko. Sintas pala. Andito si... Hello mga Mars! Tingnan natin ito eh. Kung may makuha tayo dito eh kay Mr. Bean. Uy! Wala, may nakita ako. Kunin natin ito. Lalagyan. May nakita ako. Well, I saw something. Oh, wow! I hope it's not cut. I hope it's not cut. There's a lot. Oh!
Oh?
Oh! We need to remove this thing here. Oh! Wala, meron pa dito dalawa. Oh! Oh! Tingnan natin yung end. Ay! Okay. Wala, pwede pa to. Mahal, oh. There's more there. We need to remove that box, bag. There's no grip in this one. Okay, yeah, we need that. We can put that here. Kunin natin yan. I'll get this too. Kailangan natin ito. Kung ano ba. Pa-deliver natin. This is heavy. I'm afraid this will break. Okay. It's sharp, oh.
Yeah, there's pieces for us.
Oh, man. It's getting up. Hindi ko maabot to eh. I can't reach it. Nice. Oh, wow. Okay. And KBS. And there's one more. Parang may nakita akong pitlo. I think there's a shop. Oh, I'm afraid it will. Oh. Ano kaya ito? Malo, what do you think it's in here? What do you think it's in here? Ano kaya ito? Oh, magasgas, uy. Mabawasan yung value. Pag nagasgasan, mabawasan ba ang value? It's cut. It's okay there. Okay, ito. Oh. There, dito. And there's a tool shaft in there. Oh. There's a tool shaft there. Tool shaft.
Okay.
Be careful. It will break if you hit it. Something. Silicone. I don't think. No. These are all grip. Cut grip. It's all cut grip. I'm trying to make messes. You don't need that.
You're lying.
Huh? Oh, it's covered. I just covered it. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a cabinet thing. Wala. There's nothing in there. I can feel my feet now. A little bit. I can feel my feet a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying. Look at that shaft. What you gonna do with this?
I don't know.
I don't know what to do with this. You don't need this.
Packing.
Huh? Packing for what? Oh. You need a grabber for that. You want this way? Natin yan. Kasi ano yan. Hindi natin lagyan ng shaft pag pinadeliver. Okay. We're stopping it. The box.
Fragile.
Fragile. Ta-da! It's fragile. Battery. Charger battery. Just get that shaft.
That looks good.
Yes. This shaft? Yes. It's the same size. Ah, nice. Okay. Yeah, may pera tayo nakuha. What? What's that? A grip? Is that a grip? Or another shaft? We need more packing material, right? There's more here, oh. Gusto mo? Wala na. This. Oy, sorry. Sorry, kala ko nagre-record ako mga mas. Ang dami lang tinapon ng biskwit. Ano kaya ito? Oh? Oh? Oh, yun ang ganda. Oh. Ano niyo, oh? Ah, yun ang ganda. Ay, ka-nice. Oh. Hat. Oh, sombrero tayo. Tatlo. Look. That's cool.
This looks like
It's a hat. It looks like a hat. I don't know what this
looks
is.
like a lid.
Yeah. put your,
See, it's got the lip.
yeah, lid for food in the table.
Or something. I don't know.
But I want that.
For like a, maybe for like a.
Yeah, that's good. They open all of that thing, oh. All of the, wow. Nakakasad naman, oh. Open everything. Everything. They didn't miss anything. Oh, this is good, oh. It's Nutella. It's Nutella. Open. Okay. Wala tayong mo dito. Kasi yung natin nila lahat. Let's say. Okay. That's really cool. I like that. Wala na. Oh, you want this?
Get that, yeah. That's a good
Bubble. Okay, okay. Tara. Hello mga Mars! Ito na ang ating unload. Kaunti lang natin nakuha. Pero ayos lang yan. Hindi laging Pasko kay Mr. Bean. So, ayan. Meron tayong Twinkies dito. Isang case yung nakuha natin. At meron tayo dito Sweet Tooth Fairy. Meltable peanut butter. Ayan o. Ayan. At meron tayo dito ng pumpkin spice flavor. May 3 case tayo ng itlog. At meron ditong chinelas na kaganda, oh, bagong-bago. Disney Princess, oh. Ang ganda, pambata. Batang babae. At meron tayo ditong Sesame Street. Yung natunog pambata, oh. Pang ano, pag-teach ng how to learn the potty daw ang mga bata. Ayan. At meron tayo ditong orange. Ayan, oh. May orange vanilla flavor tayo dyan. At ito naman ay black artificial vanilla flavor. Ayan, o. At ang ating golf club, golf shaft. Ayan, o. KBS. Ano ba yan? PGI Players 85S. Ayan, o. Puro KBS. 3 KBS. At ito naman ang isa ay Acra. ACCRA. Ayan. At ang ating Fresh Pet Homestyle Creation Beef, Chicken, and Turkey recipe. Ayan ang ating food ng ating doggy. Madami tayong nakuha. Puro wet food. Vital grain free. Ayan o. Ang dami o. May instinct dyan o. At ito naman just food for dogs. At meron tayong pang pusa. 3. Ayan, at mayroon tayong pineapple dito eh. Ayan po, oh. Fresh Pet Nature's Fresh Food. So, ayan po lahat ang ating nakuha. O, diba? Okay lang din kasi madami din tayong nakuha pag pinagsama-sama ay madami-dami na din. O, diba? So, ayan po. Salamat po sa panonood. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa aming video. Pa-visit naman po ng aming website, dumpsterdivingdeals.com. At sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa aming video. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Bye!